Hey there guys, welcome back. Today we are at someplace pretty special. As you know, or you may not know, I have a thing for unique homes. And I'm also in the vacation rental business and I love being on the water. So today we're at a property that is all three. I'm gonna take you in and show you inside. It's very cute, unique little place right here in Astor, Florida. It's on a canal that leads out to the river. From this river in Astor, you can get to Lake George, you can go south, get to Sanford. I mean, you can take it all the way up north to Jacksonville, which I have done. Side story. But if you love fishing, if you love being outdoors, if you love being a little bit off the beaten path, then you're gonna love this place. So without further ado, let's go check it out. See what I tell you? Super cute, right? It's so kitschy, like everywhere. I just love the little details, like the tub and the tile on the walls, the use of color gray and the blue, and just having like that 1950s, 60s theme kind of in there. It kind of ties in with the mobile homes that are on the side, so super cute. And then of course it all relates to fishing because this is Astor. This is on the St. Johns River. It's a great fishing location. They have tournaments out here all the time. Great bass fishing. Just up in Lake George, that area. Actually, this area here too is also a little bit brackish, so there's no telling what you can catch. Also the dock. The dock is really nice. You're on a canal, so it's a little bit protected than being directly on the river. And this is a deep water canal and it runs all the way out to the river, so you can get out there. So there's a strong support system and sense of community. It's a free membership for the possum cleanup crew, which basically if there's a bad storm, if there's flooding, if there's a hurricane, if there's anything, they band together and go around and help neighbors and the neighborhood get back up and running. I just love that. I love that. So if you are looking for anything like this, if you have any questions about the vacation rental business or looking for something to start up, this would be a great option. Give me a call. I'll be sure to answer any of your questions. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Catch you later.